Hello, I'm Nikki from Howard's Peugeot in Dorchester. I'd like to introduce you to this Peugeot 2008 Allure. This car comes with a lovely specification. You've got a DAB digital radio with USB connections for MP3 devices, rear parking sensors, dual zone climate control, along with Bluetooth connectivity for your mobile phone. It also comes with Mirror Link, which allows you to use Android Auto and Apple CarPlay to mirror your smartphone up onto the screen in the car. Let's take a quick look around the vehicle. Thank you for watching this video. Howard's are happy to tailor your experience with us depending on your current requirements, whether that be a virtual appointment using our Howard's Click and Collect service or our Howard's Home Delivery, or if you would prefer, we still have the traditional appointments to come in and view and drive a car. We look forward to hearing from you shortly. Thank you very much and have a good day.